Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial we have created a model and the action or the SQL command to send the information to the store procedure. In this video we will add these parameters in the store procedure, update the command and execute the whole life cycle to save the exact analytical information in the database. So here we have these parameter which we need to add. So let's go to the here we have the varchar 100 is equal to this. Now copy this 3 times more, 1 2 and 3. That's it. Now copy IP and place it here with this, and location which will be the max, and the OS, and that's it. Okay, now we will select a table which is analytical data. Okay, this is, let's create a query, insert into this table having value post ID, time, location, browser, OS and IP. Values will be the ID, get date for the date, and add location, add browser, add OS, add IP. Okay, that's it. Now copy this and paste it here. We also need a post ID. Did we have here? No, we did not have here, so we will add that. Post ID is equal varchar 10 is equal to this. Okay, so here we have the information which we are going to store within the database. Execute this. Okay, oh yes, datetime to int. We also need to check its table information columns. Not null, ID is int, so it should be the int. Should be int is equal to 0. Change the date time okay. Here should be date data, and that's it. And generate change script. Okay, it's not changed. Now it's still not getting changed. Okay, we need to do it manually with the help of query. For this we should have to run it as alter table, the name of the table, and then the column which we need to alter, we have to name that like alter column as alter column, and the name of the column which is time, and then the data type is equal date time. Okay, now execute it completely, refresh once again, and here you can see that the time is changed. Okay, now execute. Okay, it's executed correctly. Okay, now we need to add another parameter, and that is the post ID. Okay, let's copy it from here and paste that here. Okay, and here we need to update the model in which this information is available, and copy this post ID. Okay, now how the post ID will be given. From here we need to add a post ID. Copy from here, and now we need to check from where we will get the post ID. We can either get from a view bag. Here we can use a view bag dot post ID, and that's it. And this view bag is used in the tutorial controller, post controller. Here here we have the TID for the tutorial, specific ID. Okay, let's see how it's tutorial and this. Okay, so this is the tutorial. Here we have view bag TID, which is the post ID indeed, and that's it. Okay, now execute the application. So now our application is executing. Here we can get a source, page source. We need to see that, and let's search for post ID. Okay, it's not. Refresh this, and here you can see we have post ID represented here. Okay, now once we refresh, the information should be saved here. Remove this. Okay, it's not received yet. Okay, let's add a debugger. Yes, something happened. Data type navchar to in converting data type navchar to int. Okay, which one it is? Okay, somewhere we have the information. Yes, the post ID should be the numeric. Okay, remember that it should be matched from the variables which are used in the procedure. Now we will add a debugger here, so we will get to know that this information is triggering right now. Now our application is get executed, and first we will check. Here we did not have any information. Okay, and now when we will add refresh this one again, and it will send the AJAX call to the controller where we have the debugger attached. So as this information is fetched from the database, it sent the information to the specific controller, and here it is. Okay, now execute. We did not get any error right now. It is in the continue mode. Yes, another data type navchar to int. Okay, which one I did not know. Here we have the information. Yes, this is string, browser string, and this is the post ID, which is int. Okay, and now we are sending the post. Oops, yes, we need to change it into the post ID. Okay, now everything is fine. Now the application is executed. Refresh once again and remove the debugger, and let's see where the exception occurs. Okay, exception did not occur right now, and refresh. it's right now in the building state. Okay, now everything is done. Oops. String to binary data would be truncated. We have some error here, let me resolve it. Okay, yes, we have resolved the error, and that was a jerk in our system. So when I refreshed once again, it's working fine, and you can see when here is the simple record. Okay, when I will refresh once again and refresh this, I have a record 2, another record. Here is the 12 ID and here is the single. Let me truncate both tables so you will get a clear big picture. Truncate table and truncate table. Okay, now both tables are empty. Refresh once again and refresh this, and you will get the information one view, and here is the detail of one view, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let's see the detail. Here is the 4 requests, and this is the 4 request details, and here is the 4 request information. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.